most language learners make the same mistakes and they're not even aware of them. So, let's talk about the biggest language learning mistakes people make. Staying with easy content for too long. This one is tricky because it feels like you're doing the right thing. You study beginner materials, you repeat the basics, and you tell yourself, I need to master this before I move on. But here's the reality. You don't. Language learning is like a messy painting. Colors blend, shapes form, and it all comes together over time. So, yes, learn the basics, but don't camp there forever. Move on, challenge yourself, expose yourself to real life content, even if you don't understand everything. You need more difficult material. Push yourself out of your comfort zone. Growth happens when you struggle a little, not when everything is easy. Relying on a single resource. This is like eating the same food every day and expecting to get all your nutrients. Imagine only eating bread. Eventually, your body is going to be like, hey, I love carbs too, but we need more than this. If you're only using one book, one app, or one course, you're missing out on the richness of the language. Your brain needs variety to truly absorb a language. Focusing on memorization and thinking you won't forget it. I have studied this for 20 times. Why can't I remember it? Because your brain doesn't work like a hard drive. You don't remember words just because you saw them once or even 50 times. You remember them when they matter to you. So instead of drilling words out of context, find ways to use them. The more personal the words feel, the harder it is to forget. If you think that simply repeating something enough times or studying it with deep focus guarantees you'll remember them, you're setting yourself up for frustration. And frustration leads to burnout. You might start believing you're just bad at languages and feel like giving up. But forgetting is part of the process. Instead of fighting it, accept it. Relying on role play conversation. Role play is when you practice a scripted conversation for a specific situation, like ordering coffee or checking in at an airport. It feels useful, but it's not. It gives you false confidence that disappear in real life conversations. In real life, people don't follow scripts. They speak fast, change topics, interrupt, and throw in slang or unexpected questions. If you rely too much on role playing, you might freeze the moment things don't go as planned. Instead of memorizing fixed dialogues, focus on improving your overall language skills. Listen to real conversations, practice speaking spontaneously, and get comfortable with not knowing every word. That's what prepare you for real world interactions. Testing yourself too much. You'll want to know if you're improving, but constantly testing yourself can backfire. Imagine if every day you checked your weight or BMI instead of focusing on your workout. You wouldn't suddenly lose weight. You'd just feel frustrated. The same goes for language learning. Instead of obsessing over tests, focus on communication. Do people understand you? Can you express yourself even imperfectly? That's your real test. Expecting to learn fast. The biggest language learning trap. How long will it take me to become fluent? Let me ask you this. How long will it take you to get good at playing the guitar? At drawing? At dancing? It depends. Language learning is the same. It's not about how fast you can learn. It's about how much you enjoy the process. The more you enjoy it, the more time you'll spend on it. And the more time you spend on it, the better you'll get. So stop asking how long will it take and start asking how can I make this fun? Either ignoring grammar completely or trying to master it. There are two types of language learners. The grammar's useless group who believes watching 1,000 episodes of a TV show will magically make grammar absorb into their brain. And the grammar is everything group who spent 10 hours analyzing verb tenses but can't actually hold a conversation. Both are missing the point. Grammar is important, but it's not something you should study for hours at a time. Keep it simple. Spend 5 minutes a day or every other day learning grammar in small pieces. Enough to understand how the language works, expecting to speak without speaking. This is like wanting to swim without ever getting in the water. Reading, listening, and studying are all great, but if you don't speak, you won't learn to speak. And yes, you'll make mistakes, you'll forget words, you'll sound weird. That's normal. I still have moments where I sound like a confused alien, and somehow people still understand me. Only speaking with other language learners. Speaking with fellow learners is great. They understand your struggles, they're patient, and it feels safe. But if you only speak with learners, your progress will slow down. Why? Because learners tend to simplify their speech. They use a limited vocabulary, they avoid complex structures, and they might even repeat mistakes. Native speakers, on the other hand, expose you to real world language. Of course, speaking with native can be intimidating, but even small interactions can make a huge difference. If you've made some of these mistakes, congratulations! It means you're learning. Every mistake is a lesson, and every struggle is part of the journey. The key to mastering a language isn't avoiding mistakes, it's about staying in the game, making it enjoyable, and pushing yourself just enough to grow. So, if you've been playing it safe, relying on one method, or expecting instant fluency, shake things up. Try something new, challenge yourself, and most importantly, keep going because the only way to fail at language learning is to give up. And I know you won't do that. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.